Satnam, I'm Melanie MataJi from the Kundalini Sanctuary, and we are the Soul Shelter Showcase Beauties, coming to you to announce our second Soul Shelter Showcase, which is a Saturday from 2 to 6 p.m. I'm going to be passing along this incredible crystal ankh, which is just part of our showcase highlights, and to Nick. Crystal SOULutions.
Thank you. Hey everyone, I'm Nick. I'm with Crystal SOULutions. I am so excited for the showcase. We had such a fabulous time last month. So excited to bring this back. At Crystal SOULutions, I have framed crystal grids. I have crystal bracelets. I have crystal mini carvings. I have selenite galore, selenite knives, selenite swords, selenite lamps. You name it, I've got it. And I'm going to be putting together a beautiful selenite bundle for our Pick Your Prize giveaways. So make sure to check that out and get your entries in for that. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it over to you, Lisa.
Thank you, Nick. Hi, I'm Lisa with High Vibes, and I have some wonderful healing pieces from elixirs to jewelry to organite to pyramids. I have everything that your heart desires. I have some beautiful pyramids that are loaded in so many semi-precious stones, quartz crystals to amplify everything diamond does, 24 karat gold, you name it, it's in there. These things will help heal from the inside out. The elixirs will take you into a completely different plane. Everything from rose damask to frankincense and myrrh, spikenard, loaded with diamond essence, which is the highest frequency. And we have one for all of your needs. I am excited for the show, and I'm going to pass you on to Kristi.
Thank you so much. Aloha, friends. It's Kristi from Auntie Two Hands. I'm so excited to be part of the showcase once again with, of course, these lovely ladies. It's a vibe. You guys need to just come down to the Kundalini Sanctuary. I will be bringing some of my own copper pieces, such as this. I will definitely be highlighting some of my copper pieces. Jewelry, everything I make is made with intention and love, and I know you're going to come on down and enjoy it. So make sure you guys come check us out February 1st. I'm going to pass you over to Ray.
Hi there, I'm Ray with Formula Flawless, and you can see some of the beautiful colors in our fresh skincare right here. So we'll have a lovely setup where you can try all kinds of different things. So if you have some skincare issues that you haven't been able to find a solution for, we are a fresh skincare lab located here in Las Vegas. Everything, of course, is organic and it's highly effective. So super looking forward to seeing you on February 1st for the Soul and Shelter Showcase with all of these wonderful ladies. So mark the date.
Okay, well, thanks, ladies. As usual, what a pleasure. We always just have such a blast when we get together, and we really do hope that you can come down. People are always asking me, Melanie, what is that you're wearing? Where do you get it? Well, I happen to be selling a few more incredible items from my closet. This is just one of them from Kinamora Clothing Line, a beautiful clothing line out of Morocco. It's goddess wear. It's fabulous. So please come and join. You'll see lots and lots of amazing crystals, amazing health and wellness elixirs, skincare, incredible adornments, and most importantly, we want to see you. We, the sisterhood, have put together for you to come and enjoy and take some home with you so that we share and spread the love. So again, join us on February the 1st from 2 to 6 p.m. and we are going to be donating a portion of our proceeds to a pet rescue project that's in need in the Los Angeles area due to the devastating fires that we're all very much aware of. So we will be contributing to a very beautiful project to help our animal fur friends who we love dearly. So see you on February the 1st from 2 to 6 p.m. And we just love you. And here's cheers. Here we are. Cheers, cheers.